PRD has been more than just my commander-in-chief being in the military. So I always looked up to him like parang he's my father. Kasi there were many instances that we ate together, then sobrang relaxed lang. He would make jokes, he would tell silly jokes, even personal stories na dapat di niya kinukwento sa amin. Kumbaga, pero he's very open.
Sir, sa 6 na taon naging security officer niyo ako, maraming salamat sa kumpiyansa at tiwala na ibinigay niyo sa akin at sa security officers. Ang hangad lang namin palagi sa inyo, sir, ay maprotektahan kayo, safety kayo.
Gusto ko lang, sir, na sabihin sa'yo na mahal ka namin, sir, sa behalf of the Presidential Air Force Battalion. Mahal na mahal ka namin at napakasaya namin na ikaw ang naging boss namin, ikaw ang naging presidente. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na from the bottom of my heart, mabuhay po kayo.